Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool neon outline effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to this part right here, and then I'm actually just going to right click, copy, right click, paste. And then on the video, I am going to add in effects. So go to effects. And you're going to add in neon outline, which is under nightclub. And then you can adjust the strength here, but I'm just going to leave it at 100. Go to filters and add in a black and white filter on top of that. And then you're going to add in any color you want. I'm just going to choose this pink one. Actually, I'm just going to choose this purple one instead. And I'm going to add it on top of the effects. Go to blend mode and choose linear burn. Select everything. Right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to blend mode and you're going to choose the screen or the brighten one, or you can find other effects that you can choose, but I'm just going to choose the screen one, and you can adjust the overlay opacity as well. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!